Hello, appreciate you joining me. Today we're going to discuss a hybrid cloud model. So what is it, right? Traditionally it means having a cloud model where you're going to deploy into a cloud like AWS or Microsoft Azure while maintaining an on-premise footprint, right? So you have your data center currently in your office, right? Say you have a single rack in your office. You need to go to the cloud, right? Now you'll hear hybrid cloud when you're talking about connecting from here to the cloud, right? Here's the cloud, right? So you have AWS, Azure, Google. All right, just to name a few of the big guys. On-premise and cloud, using them together, that's a hybrid cloud model, right? Now you're also going to hear it when people are talking about using multiple clouds, right? So using AWS, Azure, and Google. Now there's various reasons to use that, to use multiple. Maybe you're doing rendering with Google, you're going to compute with AWS, and you're going to store with Azure. Whatever you're doing, there's pros and cons to each platform. So what's the best way to initiate your hybrid cloud model? Well, this is a data center, and that's where the cloud lives. Now, the easiest way, if you have high bandwidth, is to have a direct connect into something like the Equinix Cloud Exchange, right? So we want a dedicated circuit via a point-to-point from your office back to your data center location, right? And we're going to say this is 10 gigs. We'll say you have a 10 gig DIA in your office. Now, this is your rack inside of an Equinix data center, right? So you have a point-to-point going from your office back to the DMARC that pumps into your rack. Now you have a direct circuit between the two. Now you want to get to the cloud. There's a couple different ways you can do this, right? If you already have a data center presence, best way is to do a point-to-point or a direct connect into the Equinix Cloud Exchange, but you can also communicate via a gateway and communicate over the wire, or just using the internet over a secure connection. So we're going to discuss a direct connect here. So this is a direct connect, which is simply a cross connect run from your rack to the Cloud Exchange inside of Equinix. All lives in the same data centers, which is just physically running fiber. And that's the best way for high bandwidth and a dedicated circuit into the Cloud Exchange. Once you're in the Cloud Exchange, you can use AWS, Google, Azure. It's a virtual cross connect at that point, so you can change. There's also about 2,000 or 3,000 other cloud providers on the Cloud Exchange that you can reach globally. So, quick recap, hybrid cloud model is on-premise data center mixed with a co-location presence to do a cloud deployment. Thank you.